Hi, my good name is Lele and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do raspberry clafouti. It's a very nice dessert. It is a dessert that should be eaten when it is warm, and also it is a dessert that is eaten after dinner, after lunch, or even after breakfast. It's a very nice dessert. Please try it. It's like a soft cake. Inside you have kept fruits, and you can put different kinds of fruits, but today I decided to put raspberry fruits inside. Please allow me to be your test panel to test it for you. Very nice. It's a very nice dessert. Please, before we continue, please subscribe to Lele YouTube channel, and also remember to click the notification button right next to it that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. And our ingredients are, we have our almond powder 130 grams, fresh cream 130 grams, our castor sugar 150 grams, our corn flour 20 grams, our egg yolks 40 grams, our 2 eggs 100 grams, and our raspberry, I had frozen them, now they have defrosted. That's why you can see they have separated, the water and the fruit itself have separated, but they're still okay. I'm going to use them. Now what I'll do, I'll mix all the dry ingredients first. Then I'll mix now the wet ingredients. I'll put now my egg yolk plus my eggs, then my cream. And voila, our mix is ready. That's all that is needed. You can see how it is. It's a very nice snack dessert that you can eat it after dinner, after lunch, after breakfast. It's very nice. It's a very nice dessert. So now I am putting the fruits, the raspberry fruits inside. My raspberry are faded because the juice separated when it was defrosting. Then I'll now put my mix. Now you can see our raspberry clafouti, how it is. It's a very nice dessert. Now I am going to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes, and or until when it's gold here at the top. Viewers, and this is our end product. You can see how it came out. It came out so well. This is a dessert that you really need to try it, and let me know. And also, if there's any other dessert that you would like me to try it, please just comment on the comment section and I'll be happy to get back to you. It's a dessert that it's normally served with a vanilla sauce. Homemade, I made this sauce. You can follow me up. You can follow to see how I prepared it. It's a very, very nice dessert. Please try it and let me know. And also remember to like, share, comment to my YouTube channel. And also remember to click the notification bell right next to it so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye!